I'm excited to announce to the entire funded trader community, we listened to all of your feedback, we thought about how to do it, and we're finally ready to unleash the one-step challenge. We're calling it the Night Program. I'm super excited about this, and I know you all are going to enjoy this. I'm gonna go over all of the rules. The profit target is similar to the standard challenge. You have to hit a 10% target for this one phase challenge. You're gonna get a daily drawdown allocation of 3% and a maximum drawdown allocation of 6%. You're gonna be able to use EAs, trade copiers, there's no lot size limits, and you will be able to hold trades over the weekend on the challenge along with the funded accounts. Now, it's very important to note that the drawdown type for the maximum drawdown is relative. The definition of this can be found inside of our FAQ. There is also an entire video with 8 examples in there to explain this to you thoroughly. The daily drawdown is calculated based on equity and balance. This is similar to the Royal and the standard challenges. There are no minimum trading days on this one phase challenge, so hypothetically you could pass in one day. The first payout once you actually become funded is in 7 days from your first trade. So you could actually make it to a payout in 8 days, hypothetically, which is amazing. The scaling program with this challenge includes increasing the account size by 25%, and also your daily drawdown will change from 3% to 4%, which is something that the community really wanted as a feature of this program. You will be able to choose from the following account sizes: 25,000, 50,000, 100,000, 200,000. We wanted to make sure that we offered the absolute best pricing in the entire industry. This was something that was extremely important to us. If for whatever reason the pricing does not become the most competitive at some point, reach out to our support and we will make sure that we continue to have the best pricing in the industry on the one-step challenge. This is another important update for the community. Coming out with this challenge is something that we've been working on for a long time. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be up to date with more challenges and cool new features coming out with the Funded Trader. And as always, thank you all for your support.